think the issue, maybe the question here is, so how do you build that leadership? Many pieces, but I think there are two that I would highlight. One falls on people like us. One falls on academic institutions, universities, that we need to train our students to understand that technology development does not happen in a vacuum. Anything you create is going to have potential impact, and that you need to have some basis on which to decide that. And frankly, I think it should be embedded in the system. I don't like the idea of every student required to take a class in ethics, because if it's isolated in one class, it'll get compartmentalized and that's all it will be. But any class in engineering, in science, in management ought to have, as part of it, a discussion of ethical implications of what you're developing. So part of it is universities need to do a better job. Frankly, I think corporations and boards of directors need to reward leadership that reflects that. Again, I completely understand bottom line matters, but if you're only driven by bottom line, you're going to make decisions based on that. And a board of directors can have a big impact by saying, what are our principles? What are we proud of? How do we get there? And if it takes us a little longer or we lose a portion of a market, but we still get to something that we're happy with at the end of the day, that leadership has to come from people who can encourage it.